Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Products plugin from a light version to a Pro version. So the very first thing that you have to do is to go to your license manager and download the very latest Pro version of the Products plugin. The license manager is automatically received on the email address that you used during the online ordering procedure. However, if you accidentally deleted this email, so please don't worry. You have to go to our site, that is redmineup.com, and then scroll down to the license manager. Here you have to enter your email address and you will receive again your license manager. However, if you have still some difficulties, then please contact our support team at support.redmineup.com and you will receive your license manager via some of our support agents. Or you could create a support ticket here. It will be easier for you. Okay, so once you have received your Pro version of the plugin, then the first thing that you have to do is to extract it. But before that, you have to go to your core Redmine folder, which in our case is Redmine 5, and then search for the plugins folder, and then you have delete the light version of the plugin. So here it is. Okay, so we go back to our downloads folder where is our Pro version, and then we copy it and then paste it into the plugins folder. Okay, so the next thing that we have to do is to open our command line. I'm going to zoom it a little bit so it will be easier for you to see it. Okay, so we navigate to our core Redmine folder, which in our case, as we said, is Redmine 5. And then the first command that we have to execute is bundle install. Okay, so now we have to also do the migration. The important step here is that into the name section you have to set the name of the plugin we are upgrading, which in our case is Redmine Products. These are just warnings for the developers team, so please ignore them. They are not going to harm the work of the plugin, so everything will work fine. Okay, so the very last thing that we have to do now is to just restart our Redmine with the command touch temporary restart point.txt. Okay, so let's go back into our Redmine and just double check and make sure that everything is fine. So we refresh our page and wait a little bit because restarting Redmine needs some time. Alright, so we see that our Products plugin is now Pro version. So we have successfully upgraded from light to Pro version. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you very much for watching it. See you into the next videos. Bye bye for now.